Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we explore facial recognition attendance system using Python. Now we are opening the attendance file folder, mainly used to store attendance related details. Next we're opening the static folder which stores train data. Then we're opening the template folder. Here we have a home.html file, which is our front-end file for the facial recognition attendance system using Python. Here we use the har cascade file for face detection. This is our Python script for the facial recognition attendance system. Now, we execute our Python script. Here we get a link from our facial recognition attendance system. Copy it and paste it into the Chrome search bar. This is our facial recognition attendance site. Here, enter the user's name and set the user ID. Then press the Add User button. It will automatically open the camera and train the face. Here we use 4 faces for our Python script. It will capture the face 10 times and train the face with the given name and ID. Now we train the 4 faces one by one. Here I am taking the 4 faces for Avengers characteristics. 1. Iron Man. 2. Captain America. 3. Thor. 4. Spider-Man. And now our dataset has a total of 4 users. See our trained faces file. In the static folder, we see the folder containing the trained 4 faces, each folder labeled with the respective name and ID number. Now we take attendance. Once you press the Take Attendance button, it will automatically open the camera and capture the faces. Here we detect the face with the name and ID number. Note their entry time and date in the attendance folder in the CSV format file. Now we are opening the attendance folder where we have the CSV file with the date in the file name. In the attendance folder, we see the name, ID number, and entry time. The files are automatically stored date-wise. Thank you for watching and please share your valuable comments.